Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by building the foundation fast. Create a 1920 by 1080 comp at 30 FPS and drop in your text layer. Once the text is typed, choose a readable font and adjust size and tracking so letters sit comfortably. Convert to shapes with layer. Create shapes from text when you want per character control. This gives you paths and groups to animate. Make sure auto select is off. That prevents accidental moves as you begin animating individual characters and shape groups. Now animate using a text animator. Add an animator and tweak position or opacity to define the motion. Use the range selector to target characters. Keyframe the start or offset from 0 to 100% so letters animate sequentially. To make motion feel natural, ease the keyframes and adjust the selector's smoothness and feather. If you want staggered timing across lines or characters, add a simple expression like $*0, 1 on the selector offset. This creates an automatic delay that reads like a human rhythm. Finish by refining motion and polish. Add secondary animators like scale or rotation, and use the graph editor to adjust velocity curves for snappy in and soft out. Enable motion blur and pre-compose your animated text for cleaner stacking. Export using Media Encoder with your target codec. If you see jitter or inconsistent timing, check anchor points, confirm characters aren't in 3D unintentionally, and make sure comp and render frame rates match. Correcting those usually fixes timing and stutter problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.